Welcome to the PhotoModeler User Interface Overview. This video demonstrates the use of panes and several of PhotoModeler's user interface elements. When you first start PhotoModeler, you will be presented with a startup panel. This dialog provides you with quick access to common operations. On the top left are a series of links for creating new projects. The top right contains shortcuts to your recently used projects. And below are operations you can perform before opening a project. You can also access the menus directly. We will click to open a project and double-click to open the photos. Once the project is open, the interface and layout are customizable and can be adjusted based on your workflow patterns. You can customize the toolbar and shortcut keys to allow quick access to the tools you need by going to Options, Customize Toolbar. You can customize the toolbars displayed, add specific tools to a toolbar, or change the shortcut keys used to access the tools. The status bar at the bottom here has 4 sections. The first shows information about the currently selected object. The second shows the largest residual in the project. Clicking here gives you the option of opening the photo and selecting the mark with the largest residual. The next icon shows the status of the project based on the project review pane. You can click to open the project review pane. The last icon shows a man, running if automatic processing is turned on, or standing if it is not. Clicking here will toggle automatic processing on or off. The final section shows the XY position of the mouse when it is over a photograph, or clicking on it will redisplay the last alert pop-up. When you open photos, such as these 3 here, you can adjust the size of the photos by dragging the splitters. You can adjust the position of the photos by dragging the title bar. When you drag the title bar, these small blue docking context stickers appear. Drag your mouse over the arrow indicating where you would like the window to appear. When you release the mouse, the windows will rearrange. The docking arrows around the edge indicate the window will be positioned along the top, bottom, or sides of the overall photo windows. If you would like to move a photo relative to one another, when the mouse is over another pane, a set of arrows will appear in the center of the pane. Mousing over these arrows indicates you would like to move the selected pane above, below, or to the side of the other pane. This symbol in the middle indicates we would like to have the 2 panes tabbed on top of each other. If you release the mouse over this symbol, the 2 photos will now share the same screen space. The tabs at the top here allow you to switch between the 2. Dragging the title bar of the 2 photos allows you to move the whole tab group at once. We can drag it to the side here. If you want to untab a photo, you can drag the tab to tear the photo off and dock it at a different location or tab it with another photo. The window menu also has several commands you can use to arrange the panes. Tile them, tab them all, split horizontally, split vertically, or split into quads. For example, we can maximize the panes, which will tab them all. This drop-down arrow provides another way to access the same tools. We can rearrange them to be split horizontally, 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Double-clicking to open a new photo opens it on the left. Holding down Alt while double-clicking, or using the Open Tabbed button, will open the photo tabbed with another view. You can close photos one at a time by clicking on their close icon, or you can close all of them by closing the main photo window. The same dragging and docking also applies to top-level panes like Tables, Photo List, the External Geometry Explorer, and 3D Views. For example, the tables can be dragged to show along the bottom here. If we close the tables, open a new table, it will show in the same position where we dragged the previous tables. You can move the photo list so it is displayed up top. Visibility can be torn off and displayed down the side. All actions we've shown with photographs apply to these top-level views as well. Additionally, if you double-click the title bar of a top-level pane or drag it off the main PhotoModeler window, the pane will float. These floating panes can be placed anywhere. For example, you could float the photo list and place it on a second monitor for quick access to all your photos. The current layout of the panes is saved every time you exit and restored the next time you start PhotoModeler. If you have several layouts you like, you can save them by going to Window, Manage Main Pane Layouts. Save this layout as Layout 1. You can then load the saved layouts at any time by going to Window, manage main pane layouts, and choosing the new layout from the menu. For example, we can change this layout here, and then go back and restore the saved one. You can access most of the top-level panes on the View toolbar here. For example, here is the Properties pane. You can also hide the panes by pinning them to the side of the application. When you mouse over the Pin tab, the pane will roll out, allowing you to temporarily see or use the pane. When you take your mouse off the pane, it will automatically repin to the side. Click on the pin icon to unpin the pane. You can experiment with different layouts to find the one that works best for you. If you would like to restore the default layout, you can do so at any time by going to Window, Manage Pane Layouts, and click Restore. Restore will load the factory default configuration. This concludes the demonstration of PhotoModeler's configurable user interface. We have shown how to customize the menu, toolbar, and shortcuts, rearrange and size panes, and how to load and save pane layouts.